I have some new straps and E-tracks from Rhino, but it's meant to mount on your trailer and then mount your tires for your ATVs. I decided to use it for my equipment. I travel the 101 about 3 hours round trip every single time I come out here. Anybody that's traveled the Northern 101, they know that it can be pretty bumpy. So what I did is I just anchored them in for wherever I wanted to put my equipment on each side. And then I also have them for the mower. And then I have them behind the mower. So we're actually able to go all the way across and hold these down really well. But they get a nice firm hold compared to the other straps. Now these get held in by bolts, and you're just going to drill holes, put the bolts in, and then of course you got to tighten them up underneath. These straps also have a load limit of 1,986 pounds. So each side they're going to have this E-track mount. Put it over your tire or whatever it is you're going to be strapping down. Take your other end, get that in there. And now we can just easily strap it down, just like so. Now these straps are going to be awesome for your ATVs, UTVs. I don't have those, but I thought this was a great idea for the mowers. Maybe it might give you an idea for equipment with your trailer as well. Other mounting options. You could also put these up on the walls and like a cargo trailer, and then you can strap stuff with that as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.